is Carrie, and I'm the tasting room manager in Belching Beaver. We're located at 980 Park Center Drive, and we're Suite A in Vista, 92081. 760-917-1972. This is the original place where all the magic began. The tasting room here is unique, especially because of the nice outdoor patio that we have outside. Not a lot of breweries that are in industrial areas have that. On our slower days, we usually have larger groups or events and parties. We can have we fit over 150 plus people here. Flights are sets of 4. You get to create your own. Pick any 4 that we have on the board. Everything's available. Average is $8 for 20 ounces. We do offer, like if they are mixed between a couple, we do offer a couple of free splashes between the two. If you do want to do a flight or anything, I'd suggest that they would help them pick the flight if they wanted to, but they need to let us know what style of beer they look for, so we can customize it to them if they need that help. We can offer recommendations that way.